Number 9. Kapampangans can transform the lowliest, the ugliest, and the unlikeliest creature into a delicacy. No reptile or amphibian, no snake or snail, no rat or bat is safe in the Kapampangan kitchen. Mo crickets magically become a plate of adobong kamaru. Frogs become betute. And those living, crawling little black crabs become burong talangka. When Kapampangans butcher a pig, they will throw nothing away. The brain becomes bistig utak. The ears sisig matwa. The cheeks and jaw tokwat baboy. The skin pitik chan. The hooves and knuckles paksing pata. The tail kari-kari. The lungs pulutok. The heart, liver, and kidneys kilayin. The entrails paksing iso. And the blood becomes tidtad.